How to change currency on Facebook Ads Manager. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can change currency on Facebook Ads Manager. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up Facebook and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Once you're logged in and you land in your home page, now navigate to your profile icon from your top right corner. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. Then again, click on Settings. Now once you land on Settings and Privacy, navigate to your left hand side. There you will find this section that says Account Center or Meta Account Center. Click on it. Now you will land on next page. Here again, navigate to this menu bar and then click on this option that says MAPy. Now you have to select your Facebook account. Again, navigate to your left hand side and click on Settings. After that, you will land on this page where you can change the currency. Now click on this currency drop down box, and from here you will be able to change the currency. Again, click on it and now choose your currency. And here it says you can only change the currency once every 72 hours. So within the 72 hours, you will not be able to change the currency again once you have changed it already. Once you're done with that, simply click on Save button, and with that your currency will be changed. So that's how you do it, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.